Anambra state government has demolished a filling station illegally sited at Ukwu. The operation was carried out by a joint team comprising officials from the Anambra State Physical Planning Board and men of the Nigeria Police Force. The filling station was sited at the heart of Ukwu, a large market that attracts buyers and sellers from all communities of the old Agwata region on Ukwu market days. Also at the immediate back of the station were residential houses whose occupants stand a big risk of suffering severe casualty in the event of an inferno. The arrival of the demolition team had erupted shouts of approval from market people and onlookers who nodded their head in approval of the exercise. Speaking after the exercise, the General Manager, Anambra State Physical Planning Board, Mr. Ukwu, noted that the developer had been served all processes, starting from when the structure was at foundation level, but he continued with impunity, stressing that aside the demolition, the developer will be served a letter to refund the money expended during the exercise. Mr. Ukwu noted that Governor Willie Obiano is genuinely interested in protecting the lives of the Anambra side with his support. The board has set up offices in the 21 local government areas of the state, while approval processes for submitted proposals have been liberalized. He therefore appealed to developers to always submit their plans and seek expert advice from the board, assuring them that the present leadership of the board is poised to effectively drive the vision of the Obiano administration in coordinating structural development activities across the state.
Somebody started building a filling station here inside the market, no approval, and all the processes have been served on him, and will continue. While His Excellency is interested in protecting the life of the area. That is why we are removing this, to save the life of people from Igbo.
From Ukwu in Agwata Council area, I am Kene Chukwu Ofoma, reporting for ABS News.